stuffing multiple layers of retail clothes down her pants. How did this shoplifting suspect turn a misdemeanor into a massive felony nightmare? On December 27, 2024, responding patrol units staged inside a commercial retail zone following an asset protection theft report. Corporate surveillance established a visual chain capturing a female actively concealing unpurchased merchant stock within her clothing layers.
She's concealing more stuff. She has some in her bag. She's put some on, and she's putting some down in her pants.
So you want us to wait till she comes out, or you want us to go grab her now? I mean, she's already done the act.
Yeah. I just want to know, like, this stuff, I don't know what she's, it doesn't matter to me, you can go get her. I can't go get her.
No, I know, that's what I'm talking about. That. I mean, whatever you want.
Yeah. I just don't want to miss her at the exit. So we can go get her.
Easy, man. What are you doing over here? What are you doing over here?
I'm texting.
Just texting? Alright, you gotta put all that stuff down for me.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Cheyenne.
Cheyenne, you have an ID on you?
It's in my car.
Okay. Go ahead, stand up for me.
Yeah, stand up for me.
What'd I do?
You're under arrest for shoplifting.
Okay. Hold on. Wait. Please.
Stop.
Hold on, wait. Why are you doing this?
Place your hands
Hold on,
behind
wait.
your back.
Can I pay for it?
Oh,
Please.
you already saw you on camera.
Please.
No, ma'am, can I pay for it though? I haven't walked out the store.
Man,
Please, can I
Cheyenne,
please pay
don't do
for it?
this.
Please,
Don't do
please,
this.
can I pay
Place
for
your
it?
hands behind
Please, can I pay
You're
for
gonna
it?
go on the ground if you don't put your hands behind your back.
Okay, shit.
Alright,
Okay,
put your
look.
back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, let me call my mom. Please.
Put your hands on your
Please.
back.
We're not calling your mom right now.
Okay, I promise I'm not gonna do
Cheyenne,
nothing.
you're gonna go down to the ground.
Okay.
Put
shit.
your hands behind your back.
Okay. Yo, why are y'all doing this? I'm not even trying to
Because
resist.
you're resisting.
I'm not resisting.
You are.
Please.
Okay.
I made a bad decision. I knew it was gonna happen. I knew I should have put it back. I knew I should have paid for it. I have the money. Please let me pay for it. Please.
Well, now these
Please let me
cuffs
pay
are all
for
messed
it.
up
My
because
son.
you want to play around.
I'm not
okay?
trying to play around,
So here's
sir.
what we're going to do.
Sir, I'm not trying to play around, honest to God.
Okay.
Please.
Can you stand up and act like an adult?
Is there, yes. Is
Okay,
there any way
just
I can
stand up.
please talk to somebody, the manager, somebody, please?
There's nobody to talk to. They already made up their mind about what they want to
Please,
do.
please,
Okay, I mean-
manager, please. Please, ma'am, I will pay for everything. Please. I took you wrong.
Okay.
Please. Please, I'm so sorry. I will never do it again. Please, I got the money right now. I will pay for it, everything.
Stop.
Please, ma'am.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
Oh,
Listen.
no. Please, ma'am.
Turn your wrist inwards.
Please.
Face your hands
There's nothing
towards
that
each
you can do.
other.
I know there's something you can
Cheyenne,
do.
listen to me.
Oh,
Face
what?
your.
I'm sorry. Please.
Okay.
Can I see my phone, please?
Don't worry about all that later,
No,
alright?
I just really want to talk to my mom, please.
Yeah, you'll be able to call her at the jail.
No, please.
Please don't do this.
I
Come on.
want
In the office too, because she has some other stuff.
Okay. Yeah.
I was gonna get somebody.
Here, look, can I just grab it out, please? Please.
Yeah, go ahead.
Please.
You got anything else on you?
No, I don't have anything else.
Okay.
Oh, it's my tape, please.
Sorry.
It's okay.
What else you got on you?
I don't got nothing else on me, dude. But
We're gonna find out, so you
No,
better off
why
just
are we
telling
gonna
us.
look? Listen, y'all. I'm not trying to be no harder than this is. Hold on. Can you? What are you doing?
I'm just looking at what's in your
Okay.
pocket.
Can I see that, please? Just a second.
See what?
Please.
Relax, bro.
Please, sir. Look. Hold on. Let me show you. No, I'm trying to get it out for you.
What are you trying to get out?
Can I show you?
What is it?
Clothes, please.
You have
Look.
clothes in the
Right
bag?
here. Why are you pulling me? Stop. I'm not trying.
Cheyenne, listen to
not
me.
trying to do
You're not
nothing.
doing anything. I will get the clothes.
Listen,
That's what we're trying to tell you.
I'm gonna listen. I'm gonna abide, please.
Okay.
if
Well,
you
we're
don't
not doing a
mind.
very good job right now.
Can I get a number?
You'll be able to do
No,
that.
I
at the
can't get
jail.
that at the
Not
jail.
at the
They're not
jail.
gonna let me get
Yes,
that at
they
the
We'll
jail.
always let you get a number at the time.
Off my phone?
Yes, off
Yes.
the phone.
Y'all are positive.
100%.
I had my vape one time. Please.
No,
I will be quiet.
You can't
I will be
smoke
quiet.
inside.
Huh?
We'll talk about it when we get outside. You can't smoke
Okay.
inside.
Okay.
Okay. Does this look? She ain't got nothing else in here.
Just have something under her jacket.
Make sure. I'm sorry. Here, if you'll take the cuffs off me, I'll take the jacket off right now.
What is this?
Everything.
Do you have a
What?
second hoodie on?
What are you talking about? Yes, that's
under
that's
the
what
jacket?
she's talking about.
Is that-
I don't know if this is ours or not. I didn't
Is
see.
this
I just
theirs or
saw it
is
was
this
No,
red.
this is mine. I bought this and the
Okay,
pants.
what did you steal that's on you?
This.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm.
Technically, as an stolen, I would really love to just pay for it. And y'all can
I'm
ban
gonna
me.
take you out of
Can
cuffs,
ban me
bro.
from the store, dude.
I'm gonna put your cuffs on after.
Please, please.
All right, Cheyenne. Were you gonna act like an adult
No,
so we
I'm
can?
crying. I'm not trying
Okay.
to make y'all's job
Okay.
any harder than it is. I'm
Okay. All right.
stressing
Well,
y'all.
take these cuffs off. You're gonna take that jacket off,
I
and you're
got
gonna
you.
take the stolen
you.
sweater off. Okay.
I got you. Can I take this off?
Take one off.
Can I take my necklace off and put it in the bag? It's kind of like hurt my neck
We'll
right now.
take all that off at
Yeah,
the chair.
they'll take all of that off.
We don't
I'm saying
want.
Looks
it's
like it's
rubbing
already
me.
off.
Yeah, we don't
Oh.
want to lose
Damn,
nothing.
it is it broke? Damn, it's broke.
Yeah, I'll put it in there.
What is that? Y'all some nosy motherfuckers, y'all know it.
Yeah,
Hey, you
focus,
shut the fuck up, boy. What the fuck?
focus on what you got going on.
Mind your motherfucking business.
Cheyenne,
their
stop,
jacket.
man.
Huh?
Hey,
Can I put my jacket back on?
if you want to, go ahead. Okay. Is there any drugs in here?
There are not.
Any guns? Any
No, I got
bombs?
my prescriptions in there.
Okay, and they're prescribed to you.
They are prescribed to me. Well, one of them
This
has
says
my...
Eat Enjoy Solomon on it.
Let me see it.
And it's promethazine.
That's my... Okay, that's my boyfriend's
Well,
mama.
that's
Don't have anything that's not supposed to be in there.
that is.
There's nothing in there, sir.
I'm
Those
not
are just
stupid.
bags, dude.
No,
I promise you they're just bags. If there were drugs, I promise you I'd have already done it. I'm going to a detox, bro. I would have already done it. They're just bags. I promise you. Please don't make this no harder. I know
That don't look like no bag to me.
What? I swear to God, that is a
Definitely.
bag.
There's
I
definitely
see?
some powder up in there.
But
What
come
do you-
on, it's a residue. Please don't
What
do
do
that.
you do? What drug do you do? Fentanyl? Meth?
You know, I sold fentanyl.
You
And
sold
I
fentanyl.
smelled, not like recently, okay, I sold fentanyl. And then, okay, I really had a methamphetamine addiction, but I went to rehab, completed it, fine colors, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
I haven't had problems with meth, I haven't had problems with none of that shit.
Well, let's get outside and we'll figure all that out.
We'll question you about that outside.
Yeah, man, I don't know there's just residue in the bag.
It don't look like no residue.
I swear to God, y'all don't think
Well,
it's a
I'll
drug?
have a chance to answer about it.
If I was a
I'll
drug
let
addict, don't y'all think I would have already done it?
Listen, we'll figure it out when we get outside. Because I can't go looking up in that bag up in Walmart.
Man, my balls is just falling off.
You got test kits in your car?
It's for what?
This.
Let's sit down here.
Information. Do you have her ID?
You haven't updated. You said it was in
I
your car.
don't,
Can I get your
actually.
name and date of birth?
Yeah, Cheyenne Owen. And matter of fact, it's not. It's at the house. I'm thinking about it. Cheyenne Owen.
Which last name?
Owen.
Let's spell all that for me. You can sit down. Let's spell that for me.
CHEYENNE.
You spell that again.
CHEYENNE.
Last name.
ELLER.
Upon initial contact, officers initiated a high-control detention, ordering the suspect, who identified herself as Cheyenne, to stand. Cheyenne entered a state of severe panic, continuously screaming that police could not arrest her because she hadn't exited the building. This legal misconception carries zero weight, as shoplifting is fully consummated under state law the moment an active conversion intent is established. The stop escalated when Cheyenne began applying counter-tension, actively pulling her arms and twisting her torso to break the officer's grip. Under Graham v. Connor, her physical resistance legally permitted officers to execute a dynamic ground stabilization takedown. Once stabilized on the floor, her desperate attempts to negotiate a store settlement or call her mother were firmly denied as charges were secured.
You said I could talk to him. Can I please have a chance to talk to him?
What do you want to talk about?
Yeah, please.
There ain't nothing in the bags.
No, I'm not asking. I know there's no residue. I mean, well, no, I don't
No,
have
just some residue.
Come on, no.
These ones are prescribed to her, but there's a bunch of different ones in there.
Can I see?
Yeah.
And there might be a bottle in there that says Jane Bradley, that's my grandmother.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my grandma. It's 21. You're making fun of the situation, and that shit's really not cool, dude.
Alright, can you look these up for me? These G500
I'll
pills.
tell you what that is.
What is it?
That shit right there, if I'm not mistaken, is a muscle relaxer. My grandma, I had a car wreck, and my grandma was giving me her muscle relaxers.
So,
all of those big ones are muscle relaxers.
okay.
Yes.
Which ones are the trazodones that are prescribed? The little ones?
Yeah. You know what's crazy, y'all? Those little bags right there?
Yeah.
The blue? You see that little blue one?
Yeah.
Those little bags right there, those came from Philadelphia. They have nothing in them, I just bought them.
Gotcha. Okay. What is this blue pill?
I'm not sure, honestly. I got a bad hoarding problem, dude.
Gotcha.
Please, I don't know what it is. If I want to take it out, I can take it, you know what I'm saying? If I want to sell it.
Gotcha. Okay.
Do you mind if I have my vape from right here?
Yeah, I'll get it for you in a second.
Are you recording those?
That's up to him. He's your arresting officer.
Are you going to record those?
Hey, well, I ain't done looking through your stuff, so don't.
Are these yours personally?
What? No, what are you talking about? I don't even know what those three little ones that he just put in there. I don't know what they are.
Alright. I gotta search you, alright?
That's cool.
You said you don't smoke
You go to
fentanyl.
the jail and you have anything on you that you're not
There's
telling me
nothing
about?
actually on it, dude. It's old. I said I
Right.
did. I used to.
Girlfriend, that
It's
is
old,
residue
bro.
all up in there.
Yes, I'm saying, but it's old. You're not gonna find nothing. I got a fucking hoarding problem. I'm telling you, you're not gonna find nothing in there. I swear.
Well, all I'm finding is a bunch of paraphernalia. That's what
Well,
I'm
I
finding.
know that, but I'm saying you're not gonna find no drugs because I don't do
Okay,
drugs.
I
That's why I
got
went to
you.
go to a fucking
Nobody's
store.
saying that you do.
Well, I know, but you're implying it.
That's
I ain't gonna lie, I'm a fucking addict, but only reason I came to fucking
Like I
addict.
said, just let this be a learning lesson, alright? Go ahead, stand right here on the 911 for me, okay?
My baby said I could hear it.
Hey, he's gonna take care of that, but I gotta search you.
Yeah, he's got to search you first. You let me do what I need to do. Alright, fine. It's time to get in the car so we can move on. The longer you get in the car, the longer we take to get you to jail.
I already told you, I'm not even worried about that at the moment, okay?
Thank you. My phone's gonna be in the back, right?
Yes, your phone's gonna
And
be
they
with your
will. I'm
property.
sorry for asking again, but they will.
You're okay. They're gonna get you get numbers out your phone, okay?
What the fuck?
Yeah, it's not a lot of space back
Can you
there.
look up?
Hey, every police car that I've ever been in is not like this. What the fuck is
This is one of the older
Use
ones,
phone right here. It's not prescribed to. Alright. You got 2 pills not in the original containers. With this one just doesn't belong to her. The drug-related objects. I'll throw it all away if I was
Yeah,
you.
I don't think I'm gonna hear with any of this.
Yeah. Much more like it. Alright, let's see. That goes. That goes. That goes. That goes.
You're just gonna stand on the left wall.
Huh?
Just stand on the left wall.
Escorted to the administrative space, a post-arrest inventory search of her purse unrolled an absolute catastrophe for her defense. Officers unrolled loose prescription pill bottles under different patient names, alongside small plastic baggies carrying suspicious powder residue. The case hit a terminal loop when Cheyenne confessed on camera to a severe history of fentanyl and methamphetamine usage. Under Fifth Amendment standards, her spontaneous voluntary statements without custodial interrogation are fully admissible self-incrimination in court. The critical lesson? Concealment seals the theft crime inside the store, and physically resisting lawful arrest will only fast-track your path to prison. What are your thoughts on this dynamic corporate intercept and her devastating self-incrimination loops? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our second channel for comprehensive police interactions and deep legal breakdowns every week.